Answer the following. First one, what is mean by reconstitutions of partnership? Reconstitution of partnership is a change in the relationship between the partners and change in the share of profits or losses. पार्टनरशिप में कोई नया पार्टनर आ सकता है, या तो एग्जिस्टिंग पार्टनर रिटायर हो सकता है, या किसी पार्टनर की डेथ हो जाती है। इन दैट केस जो भी पार्टनर्स के बीच में रिलेशनशिप था वो चेंज होगा। किसी के आने से या किसी के जाने से आपके बिजनेस में काफ़ी चेंजेस आते हैं एंड इट डू इफेक्ट on the profit sharing ratio of the partners also. Why is new partner admitted? A new partner is admitted in the firm to expand the capital base. किसी नए पार्टनर को एडमिट करने से आपका कैपिटल बढ़ता है। जो पार्टनर आपके पास आने वाला है, he or she is going to bring the capital also, as well as to use the skill of that person to improve the overall performance of the partnership firm. जो भी पार्टनर्स कैपिटल तो लेके आएगा ही, उसके साथ वो अपने स्किल, अपनी एबिलिटी वो भी पार्टनरशिप में लाने वाला है, जिससे आपका परफॉर्मेंस बढ़ेगा एंड यू विल हैव द इम्प्रूवमेंट इन योर पार्टनरशिप फर्म. What is sacrifice ratio? When new partner is admitted, old partners have to sacrifice their share of profit to give the share of profit to the new partner. The ratio in which old partners sacrifice their share of profit is called as sacrifice ratio. जब भी आप किसी न्यू पार्टनर को एडमिट करते हो आपके बिजनेस में, तो उसे कुछ शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट तो देना पड़ेगा, और देने के लिए आपको खुद का थोड़ा शेयर सैक्रिफाइस करना होगा, क्योंकि आपके शेयर में से कुछ हिस्सा निकाल के आप उसे दे रहे हो. सो दैट इज अ सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो. व्हेन इज द रेशियो ऑफ सैक्रिफाइस कैलकुलेटेड फॉर distribution of goodwill? Sacrifice ratio is calculated when the new partner bring his share of goodwill in the business. जब नया पार्टनर गुडविल लाता है बिजनेस में, तभी sacrifice ratio is calculated. What is super profit method of calculation of goodwill? Super profit method of calculation of goodwill is the method in which goodwill is calculated on the basis of super profit of the firm. Super profit are the profits earned over and above the normal or average profits. What do you mean by raising the goodwill at the time of admission of new partner? Raising the goodwill at the time of admission of a new partner means creating goodwill as an asset in the books of firm and crediting the capital account of old partner. State the ratio in which old partner's capital account will be credited for goodwill when the new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash. In that condition, old partner's capital account will be credited in old profit sharing ratio for goodwill when the new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash. What is revaluation account? Revaluation account is an account in which changes made in the values of assets and liabilities are recorded at the time of reconstitution of partnership firm. What does the excess of debit over the credit in profit and loss adjustment account indicate? Excess of debit over the credit in profit and loss adjustment account indicates loss on revaluation. What is the treatment of accumulated profit at the time of admission of a partner? Accumulated profit are distributed among the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio.